everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign in as employee in Best Buy. So if you also want to sign in as employee in Best Buy, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type connect.bestbuy.com. Now press enter. Now you can see over here you're led to the official website of Best Buy Connect. Now if you want to sign in as employee, look over here, are you a current employee? And you can see sign in button over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the official sign in page of Best Buy. Here you'll have to provide your username. Click on this box and type in your username. Make sure to type the correct username. Now you can see next button over here. All you have to do is click on it. And after that you'll be led to another interface where you'll have to type in your password. Make sure to provide the correct password. And after that you'll be signed in as employee in Best Buy. So that is how you sign in as employee in Best Buy. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.